The newly released Pixel 6 phone doesn't run on Android? Wait, what? Hey guys, TechFlash here. So that is a weird thing to say, right? Google's own Pixel 6 not running on Android. You may think I'm crazy and I don't know what I'm talking about, which most of the time is actually true. But anyway, hear me out. The Google Pixel 6 series was launched with Android 12, but oddly enough, you'd never be able to tell that by looking at Google's website. Google runs through every major feature of its new Pixel phone on their product pages. However, the only time it points out the operating system, it doesn't mention Android, and it doesn't even mention the term operating system. It talks about software updates and new features dropping every few months, and it doesn't even call the new Android 12 a Material You name either, which is what it's based upon. It just mentions a new experience from Google that's all about you. Incredibly, Google doesn't mention Android 12 in the tech specs section either, but sticks to the hardware features only. Now, if you compare this with Apple's product pages for both the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro models, not only is Apple happy to talk about iOS 15, but the pages also link to Apple's detailed iOS 15 product page. It may be one thing for Google's OEM to downplay Android and focus on the features of the device, but even Samsung acknowledges that its devices are powered by Google's Android operating system. And this is very clearly a deliberate decision and not just a small overlook on Google's part. But the big question is why? Well, a good explanation could be that Google is looking to further differentiate its Pixel line in the future, and it's accustoming us, is accustoming a word? I don't know. And Google is accustoming us for the change indirectly. Google has been developing its new Fuchsia OS with a more modern and solid foundation on a custom microkernel called Zircon instead of Linux, and it actually has already been rolled out as an update to the first generation's Nest Hub and has plans to expand its footprint. Another clue as to the possibility of Fuchsia OS making its way to the Pixel phones in the future are 3 recent job listings which were published by Google last month, which now have been deleted. The company is looking to develop its Fuchsia team with at least 2 new software engineers. The software engineer's description says now it's time to expand to additional smart devices and other form factors, which is certainly an interesting coincidence. Whatever the actual reason, there can be no question that Google's Pixel 6 product pages have been deliberately kept away from the Android 12 OS that powers them. It is certainly an intriguing decision, but seems to run contrary to making a custom processor to create a better, more efficient understanding between hardware and software. So what do you guys think, and did anyone else notice the lack of Android 12 mentioned on the Google's website? Let me know down in the comments below, and if you enjoyed today's Easter egg video, or I should say lack of Easter egg video, drop a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.